Atake si Madam ngayon, guys. Wow. Today, I'm going to the pickleball court. Alam nyo naman, guys, since hindi naman talaga ako magaling, babawi ako sa face card. I really try to look cute. While looking cute, guys, I want to protect my skin. So, most of the time, I use a tinted sunscreen as my base. The one I'm using is this Sunbear tinted sunscreen. It has SPF 50. I like this so much, guys, because it blends so well in the skin. I'm gonna show you. O, diba? Automatic may ring light ka, guys. I used to wear, like, foundation or concealer because I'm really serious in looking cute, guys. Ultimately, hindi ko maiiwasan magka-acne because I sweat a lot. So, right now, I really make it a point, guys, na yung base ko, at least, skincare and makeup in one. I'm just gonna put tinted lip balm. I'm good to go, guys. And my tinted sunscreen is from Sunbear. This has SPF 50. It blends so well in the skin. And you know what's best about this product? It's less than 200 pesos.